So my roommate's estranged alcohol-loving uncle died, and this was his cook bag of recipes. I've written down every chapter on this wheel, and I'm gonna make one. I'm David Zarko, and this is Dead Greg's Recipes. Party apps. This is the party appetizers bag. Ooh, a cutout. Well, there's three recipes on here. I'll pick one. We're making creamy onion soup with bay shrimp. Okay, pause it if you want to look at it, and let's just jump into it. 4 pounds of onions. I do not care for that guard. And then you saute until caramelized. It says 25 to 35 minutes, but I probably did closer to 45. 3 tablespoons basmati rice, a 1/4 cup of white wine, 2 cups of clam juice, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, a 1/4 cup marsala wine, and salt and pepper to taste. After sauteing it for 30 minutes, it's time to puree it, which you do by adding it into the blender in small batches. And then you put it back in the pot. Then it's time to stir in 2 cups whipping cream and reheat. To serve, you put the shrimp in the bowl and then pour the soup over top. And this guy's name is actually Greg too, but I looked him up and he's actually, unfortunately, still alive. Garnish with fresh thyme, and let's see what the roommate thinks. This is creamy onion soup with bay shrimp.
Damn.
Yeah, it's good.
I like it. It's real creamy, obviously.
Yeah, it's super, super creamy.
There are a lot of onions in there.
So many onions, 4 pounds of onions.
What? That's insane.
Yeah, it's good. I don't know that I love it for some reason though.
Yeah, it's missing that Dead Greg
Yeah.
twist, you know? He's got something.
It tastes like a real ass
Yeah,
recipe.
this. I mean,
Like,
I would. This. I could. If I ordered this at a restaurant, I'd be like, all right, good.
I like the bites with the shrimp in it.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I definitely would take some more shrimp. I'm already regretting my score.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, see, yeah, I didn't think I went high enough. That's why I was regretting it.
Yeah.
I was like, I was missing something, but I'm like, you know, that's really good.
I mean,
You know?
it's really good. Like, it's very, very good.
Yeah. It's probably, yeah, it's
It's
more like a
just that-
7, 8, probably. I guess I can just, like,
Yeah.
add the little edges.
There you go.
7, 8.
Yeah, it's super good. Like, I was expecting something interesting, where it's just really good.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
not,
that's what it is.
It's not surprising. It's like
Nothing like
yeah.
that. But it's good.
Yeah. Okay, well, until next time on Dead Greg's Friends. I mean, Dead Greg's Recipes. Bye.